Hello everyone and welcome to another lecture of JavaScript, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create alerts. Okay, so JavaScript is very known by creating pop-ups or alerts on a web page. So remember that probably a lot of you guys already saw a lot of pop-ups on a web page with ads. All of that is created and done by JavaScript code. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do a simple alert box on a web page. So I have here a simple web page, okay, and my script tags ready to create some JavaScript code. So the first thing you should do is type window.alert parenthesis and semicolon, and inside the parenthesis you're going to type whatever you want to appear on the alert box. So let's say I want to add something, 50% discount in all of my courses, something like that. Okay, let's do this. And let's open this in Chrome. Okay, so there it is. Okay, working perfectly. JavaScript alert, 50% discount in all of my courses. We'll click OK. That's it. Now, what about if we type after the window alert, we type something like document write. Let's type here H1 and let's type here the title, and here we have to close H1. Okay, so obviously we need to create a variable with a title name, and you can call this, I'm not calling a variable title because it has to. You can call it whatever you want. You can give this variable the name of car or main, whatever. Okay, so just calling it title so I can remember that it is a title for my web page. So double quotes and semicolon, and here I can type welcome to my web page. Save this. Now let's see what happens when I open the web page. So I see the alert box, and until I click OK, I will not see the inside of the web page. Okay, now I can see it. Okay, so until I open, the first thing that pops up is always an alert box if you have alert or window alert function here in the code. Okay, until you click OK, it will not show you the web page. So let me type here, click OK to enter my web page. Okay, click OK, and there it is. Okay, so this is a very simple example how to use alerts, but you'll learn later on how to use alerts with prompts and other functions. Okay, what about if I put 2 window alerts, or 3 or 4, like this, and instead of this, let's type alert 1 in here, alert 2. Let's say this. Let's see what happens. Okay, alert 1, click again, alert 2. Okay, so until you click OK in all alert boxes or pop-ups, you'll not see the inside of the web page. Okay, so it will continue to pop up until you click OK in all of the alerts. Okay, guys. So this is it for now. You'll learn later on how to use this in a more useful way. Okay, and that's it. See you guys later.